Nobody likes to do cold calling. Everybody hates cold calling. I do not know of anybody, including myself, that likes cold calling. But it also has to do with the following reason, because we understand cold calling not precisely in the right way, because we still use cold calling to sell something, to set a lot of appointments, and to just bring out the wrong message. And everybody that receives a cold call also doesn't really like it. So the question would be, is cold calling still effective? Well, actually, it's effective for a very small group of people. You know who? You. If you do it the right way, and the right way is only focus on setting a connection and building a relationship. Don't sell, don't ask, only give. You call people by basically saying, hey, is there anything in the world that I can do for you? Hey, I have this transaction report that I just put together about your area. Do you mind if I send it to you? And if there's anything in the world that I can do for you in the future, would you mind if I give you another call? Is that okay? Anything that is related in connecting with you, knowing who you are, will set you apart from all the competitors. Stop talking about you. Stop talking about your project. Stop talking about whatever you have to offer. Invest in the long-term relationship, and the cold call is just the first contact, and that first contact has to be beautiful, has to be nice. You need a lot of intimacy, so you need to focus on the relationship. Build that connection, have that great rapport, and if you do that in the first call, you will get permission to make that second call, and that is where you establish the appointment. So go ahead, start making those cold calls. Stop focusing on appointment. Start focusing on connection. So go ahead, start making those phone calls. If you want to see some scripts, you know where to find them at the Propcoach website or on our university, Propcoach University. See you there.